Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to update the NU Bank app to the latest version so you can enjoy all its features. First, open your App Store. For Android, open the Google Play Store. For iOS, open the App Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to the search bar at the top and type NU Bank. Locate the official app. Now, if an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap update and wait for it to download and install. Once updated, tap open to launch the NU Bank. You will then be ready to use the latest version with all the new features and fixes. That's it. Keeping your NU Bank updated ensures better performance, new features, and security improvements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.